Hello and welcome to this Innopharma module on validation. This module is designed to give you an overview of validation master planning and the validation of systems and processes used in the manufacture of medicinal products.
Most of our in-process challenges, most of the methods we have for verifying quality of product are destructive. So to try and build quality into a product will be extremely costly. So a validation process, well constructed and coupled to a very good commissioning process, actually saves you cost.
In this course we'll cover the following areas: why we validate and the regulatory requirements surrounding the manufacture of medicinal products, the regulations and guidances relating to validation, validation master planning and validation documentation, GMP facility, equipment and utility qualification, process validation, cleaning validation, and post-validation activities and maintaining the validation status. The Validation Master Plan can be written as one document, which details all aspects of validation.
The current guidance, divides. It's a more holistic approach. It's a risk-based approach, and the validation starts in stage 1, which is research and development.
The qualification of equipment and utilities or systems follows a simple process and can typically be broken down into 10 components. Cleaning can generally be defined as the removal of unwanted contaminants from a piece of equipment. Cleaning activities help to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of the products manufactured on the same piece of equipment. The cleaning validation approach aims to validate the cleaning procedure used to clean GMP equipment. The procedure is designed to be less time-consuming and more cost-effective through the use of a matrix approach for the different products manufactured on the same equipment. The remainder of the content in this module will be delivered through the interactive slides that feature 2D graphics and high-quality motion animations. To learn more about validation, please go to our website www.innopharmalabs.com/online.